Hello friends, myself Professor S.D. Patil. Today we will take one practical which is to be a file transfer protocol. So this is experiment number 2 and the title of this experiment is Installation and Configuration of FTP Server. FTP is a file transfer protocol. Aim of this practical is to implement the FTP from PC to server. So we will start with the practical. We have to see this practical on a Cisco packet tracer software. So here you can see one switch, one PC, one laptop and the server. So file transfer protocol is a protocol which is designed for transferring the files over the internet, and that files are stored on a FTP server, and client can access that files from FTP server at any time. Okay, so we can even client can send the some data or files to the FTP server, or client can receive the data or some files from FTP server. So file transfer protocol is very important protocol. Now see here, you can see one switch, then one PC, laptop and the server. So already I have made the connection is in between PCs and the switch, after that laptop and the switch, and then server to switch. Here you can see IP address of the PC, which is to be 10.10.1. okay, after that IP address of this laptop, which is 10.10.10.2, and last IP address of server, which is 10.10.10.3. now we will see how we can configure the FTP protocol. Just click on the server, okay, go in the services and then select the FTP service. Okay, so here you can see the FTP service. For FTP service, first we have to create one username and the password. So here I am creating one username which is to be a SDP, and the password is also SDP. Now for this we have to give access. So on file transfer protocol, access may be a write access, read access, delete, rename and list. Okay, so we have already created the username and password, and we have given the access. Just add this. So here you can see the SDP. Now just off this button and then again on this button, and then we will see that how this service is to be activated. So file transfer protocol service is activated on to be a server. Okay, so this is our server and we have activated this service on a FTP. Now in this case FTP server is this PC, and remaining all other are the client PC. Now I am just choosing this PC0 as a client PC, and we have to verify that we can access the files from that FTP server or not. For that purpose we are going to the command prompts. Okay, on command prompts just click on the enter and type the command, which is FTP space, and here we require a address of server, IP address of server, and we know the IP address of server. Recently we have seen. See here, this is the IP address of server. Just go in a desktop, click on the IP configuration 10.10.3. okay, so just go again in a PC 0. okay, so FTP space, and we have to call the FTP server. That's why the name of IP address of FTP server, which is to be a 10.10.10.3. just put the enter command. So it is asking for username. Already we have created the username SDP, asking for the password, which is to be SDP. Enter. So here you can see the we have put the username and the password. Now suppose we have to see the files which is saved on a server, FTP server, then just type the command which is dir. Dir is the directory, so just enter. So here you can see these are the files which is to be available on the server. Now suppose we have to remain one of the file, just copy, we will copy this file, just copy this file, and already we have activated some services, read, write and rename, delete. So suppose I have to rename this file, then I can use the command rename space this file. So paste here the file and the name which we have to provide for this file. I will give just m, enter. So here you can see the successfully this file is renamed. Likewise you can delete one of the files. So I am taking this file, copy this file and write the command which is delete space and the file name, just so here you can see the this file will be deleted, or again we will copy the same file. Just a minute. Copy space delete the name of that particular file. Okay, so here you can see successfully deleted. Likewise you can use the different commands for reading, writing, deleting and renaming, or for getting the files. So this is a file transfer protocol which is very important in the case where clients or servers are on a remote location. So by using FTP protocol or FTP server, client can access the files from a remote locations. Okay, so I'm conclude this session with a conclusion. So file transfer protocol is used for transferring file from client to server using Cisco packet tracer. Thank you all.